Hello everyone, welcome to another question and answer session. This is the question: which of the following is not caused by cortisol in the stress responses? So, which is not the function, or which is not caused by the cortisol in response of the stress? Here the options are anti-inflammatory effect, hypoglycemia, skeletal muscle protein breakdown, stimulation of lipolysis, mineralocorticoid effect. So we have to find out one of the option which is not function of the cortisol. We know that the cortisol, it is the hormone. It is a hormone, and this hormone is responsible for different type of action. So first of all, let's see the different type of action. And the cortisol, which is primarily released from the adrenal gland, especially from the adrenal cortex. And different type of action, first of all, here we can see here, first of all, metabolic effect. It acts on carbohydrate, protein and fat, and here we can see on carbohydrate metabolism. And the cortisol is another name is the emergency hormone. That means it is most essential hormone for any type of the insult or any type of the stress. So the cortisol acts by increasing food material or increasing the end product of food material in the blood. So they mobilize carbohydrate, protein, fat from different parts or different store, and finally uh, make available in the blood for emergency use. So first of all, here we can see the stimulation of the gluconeogenesis. That means the genesis of glucose from another source which is not carbohydrate. So it increases glucose in the blood. Then anti-insulin effect. That means function of the insulin is blocked by the cortisol, and for this condition glucose level in the blood increase and activation of glucose 6 phosphate, and it stimulates glycolysis. So it is the normal function of the cortisol. That means it increases blood glucose level. Then on the fat, here we can see the metabolic effect of the fat, and here we can see lipolysis, lipomia, ketogenesis, ketosis, and deposition of the fat. So here we can see it makes the food ready in the blood. Then also in the protein, it causes breakdown of the protein and make available in the blood. And action of the water and electrolyte balance, also here we can see it has a diuretic action. That means more production of the urine. And also in electrolyte metabolism, it has certain glucocorticoid like activity. This glucocorticoid had weak mineralocorticoid activity. That means it has the capacity for sodium retention. And also here we can see the blood cell and lymphatic tissue. It decreases lymphocyte, eosinophil, basophil count, but it increases neutrophil, RBC, and platelet count. And anti-inflammatory action present also for the cortisol. And anti-allergic effect also. Resistance to stress. Here we can see increasing the response to catecholamine, extrahepatic mobilization of amino acid and their uptake by the liver cell for synthesis of essential substances, mobilization of fatty acid as a source for energy during the emergency, inhibiting the formation of the prostacyclin. That means the cortisol, it makes available all the food end product, that means carbohydrate, protein, and fat, and their end products such as the glucose, amino acid, fatty acid. They make available this glucose, amino acid, fatty acid in the blood. And another action which is the permissive action, that means the glucagon hormone to produce gluconeogenesis, catecholamine to produce the different type of substances. So this glucocorticoid also has the permissive action, and it is in short about the action of the cortisol. Here we can see in case of visual system, anti-inflammatory and angiogenesis, different type of activity. In respiratory system, it suppresses the cytokines and glucose and liver metabolism. Reproductive system, also it has the definitive action. Nervous system, musculoskeletal system, integumentary system, immune system, also the cardiovascular system. So it is now ready that which is not caused by the cortisol. Here the hypoglycemia, here we can see the hypoglycemia is not true regarding the cortisol, because the cortisol is an emergency hormone and it increases all the food material, that means the glucose, amino acid, and fatty acid. So it increases all the glucose, amino acid, and fatty acid. But here we can see the hypoglycemia. It is not true. Anti-inflammatory effect, it is true. Skeletal muscle protein breakdown, it is also true. Stimulation of lipolysis, also true. Mineralocorticoid effect, also true. So the false answer is hypoglycemia. Thank you all.